Now we're doing propane for the refrigerator. In order for this refrigerator to run, and in order for you to have lights when you're not hooked into electric, when you're not hooked into electric, you can still run a couple of these lights. This right here, this needs pulled out. The battery connection switch. Now we're going to go to the front of the camper. Shut this door. We're going to turn both of these to open. This has an automatic switch. When one runs low, it switches to the other one. We're back into the refrigerator. We're gonna hit the on button, and it's on auto. This little gas light button right there will turn on. That means the pilot light lit. If you get a check button, that means the propane is either empty or it didn't pilot light properly. Typically, propane should be full. I'll have you ready to go. So that check light should not come on. Now when this turns on, you know that you're ready to go. This is gonna start cooling. You want to start cooling this while you're traveling, because when you get there, it'll take 3 or 4 hours for this to get cold if you didn't already have it cold. You push, when you get to the campsite, you push auto, and it's going to switch you over to electric. Turn it on. Not sure what happened there when I try to switch it over. Let's try this again. There we go. Now we're running on gas. You don't want to run on gas the whole time because you'll burn your propane up. So when you get your AC, your electric is hooked up, you want to, at that point, switch yourself over to the auto button, and the AC right there means electric will start. That'll turn on and you'll be running off of electric on the refrigerator. That's it for the refrigerator.